The book that I am digitizing today is a handwritten collection of recipes from somewhere between the late 17th century and early 19th century. The book is kept inside of this shell to protect it because it no longer has covers or a spine and has separated into 6 separate sections. I measure the items so that the dimensions can be listed online. I then scan the book. We are using the ATEEZ Book Drive Mark II with 2 Canon EOS 5D DSLR cameras. The V-shaped cradle allows the book to rest open without damaging or stressing it. The white object you see is called a snake and allows me to hold pages open in cases where writing is quite deep in the gutter and I cannot use the glass to press the pages open to get an image of it. I then import all of the images into Adobe Lightroom. Here, I adjust the color and sharpness of the pages so that they are crisp and clear. I then go through and crop and align each image so that they are all in relatively the same position. This makes it so that when flipping through the pages digitally, it feels like flipping through the physical book. Once completed, I export all of the images in the highest quality possible for preservation and upload them to Adobe Acrobat Pro to be combined into a PDF. And once it's all together, you can see how beautiful this handwritten collection of recipes is. Thank you for watching.